I did this drawing. Is this something where I get in trouble and people go, oh, you ripped it off from The Walking Dead? Or I go, oh, that was my reference. It's not The Walking Dead.
It doesn't actually matter whether people would recognize that as a copy of the original photograph. What matters is that the owner of the photograph would recognize it. So there's actually multiple levels of copyright here. The actual photograph is almost certainly owned by AMC. Say for the sake of argument that the photograph is owned by AMC. If an executive at AMC saw your painting, he might say, wait a minute, that looks familiar. This looks like a ripoff to me. Let's sue this lady. I personally think there's enough alteration. The actual technical term is transformation when we're dealing with fair use. There's enough transformation between the original photograph and what you're doing to possibly be fair use. One, there's a second figure in the back. You've abstracted it quite a bit. You're also attempting to create an emotional response. That's clearly just a production still. That kind of thing leads to me feeling like this is enough of a transformation that it would fall under fair use. It's important for you to know the law, but to defend or to know your rights. But defending your rights is an entirely different matter, because the system isn't designed for you to do this kind of stuff and get away with it. If AMC decides they want to sue you over that, you can't stop them. The only thing you can do is hire an attorney to defend you and make the fair use argument. It's not about necessarily what your right is or isn't. It's about fighting, pushing back. It's about power imbalance. AMC is a major corporation and you are not. And it's easy for them to come after you, whether or not you're actually in the right.